So today's project, we're in week plus 1 day. So I've kind of got through the front two rooms in a fashion, but this room, when you got the doors open, kind of really smells. So it's a matter of trying to dig through this room, and what's in there, and there's loads of stuff in there as well. So there's I don't know what time, I've just been helping one of the neighbours out, so started a load of projects, not quite getting them finished, but then there's jumping from one thing to another. Can you see me? Hi. So yeah, so it's starting to warm up again now. It was cold yesterday after the rain. This morning sun's out again, obviously, so it's getting warm now, and I've got all this stuff to do. I've been dumping it out in the garden under the barn. Some of it's got to go to the bin, but yeah, it is what it is. We're getting there slowly in the room now. So one nice thing is the breeze that comes through here is really nice. So obviously you can see where the rain comes in between the glass panes or windows, and this one's kind of fallen out, so it just scoops it against here. It's pouring down and it's damaged this. So you've got the mud, you've got brick, mud, lime. Hopefully that showed up on camera what I just did, but there you go. So yeah, an interesting thing. So we've gone through, cleared out that wardrobe, some of the really thick heavy coats and everything in there. It's okay, a little bit of clothes and a couple of boxes and a couple of extra bags, but we're getting there. So we got there in the end. I'll have to get some new hinges for that door. Get this pile just so we can wrap the rags up in. Got a nice rug, obviously a new window, and the bed's ready. There's no mattress, so you just chuck the mattress on top of there and away you go. So this is all the clean stack stuff. Hard to find in this house to work out what's actually supposed to be clean and what isn't. So I've pulled it all away from the wall and knocked off the plaster that's on here. This will have to be re-rendered and replastered once the new window goes in. So have to do something about the little plant outside, but yeah, getting there. Do you know when you're hoovering, safety glasses, bloody low door thing. Right, so anyway, so when you get a property and they're a bit, you know, limed walled, mud walled and everything else like that, it's a good idea to hoover the walls down. A, it gets rid of the spider webs, and secondly, it gets rid of any loose plaster or anything else like that. Okay, so what I want you to look at now is what you think this might be. Yes, the wall has been taken over by a huge bloody wasp nest. So I don't know where they got in. So what we'll do is we'll do an inspection on the outside here, and then what we should be able to find is an opening on the outside of the building where they came in and literally used the mud and everything to make this this nest. You can see there's no bloody mortar in them bricks. Oh, dobre again. So yeah, I was just tapping there and I thought, oh, really soft, isn't that? And that's what was behind it. There you go. Lucky enough, there's nothing in it. I bet that'd be running. Well, it's a gift that keeps giving. I don't know how far it goes through, but it looks like there's a big cavity there. Can you see in there? So it looks like there was no bricks. So this is probably the wooden joist that runs across here. I think we can get down to the bottom about here, because we're starting to hit the mud brick again. But who knows how far it's going to go. So why is there a cavity there anyway? For the bees to build it in. Where's the bricks out here? I'm trying to work out where the actual hole is, whether it's at the window or in the render. We're looking for a place above the window. It looks like, you can't see, it goes completely dark, doesn't it? So in the back corner, can you see? No. So in the back corner, there's kind of like a little gappy bit away, but that white thing there you can see on the camera, that looks like the render from the outside, which means that there was no real bricks put in the building. Ooh, a little bit more nest there. We've got a little pile of it.